To the world, you may be just a teacher, but to your students, you are a hero. You were the reason your students came to school every day. Your friendly nature, your caring for others was what made your students enjoy your teaching and respect you as a person. Sir Ashok Patel with his message.
आजिकार এই पवित्र दिवस रे मु मोर प्रिय गुरु और पितामाता उद्देश्य रे सर्वप्रथम प्रणाम जनाऊँगी। तापरे हे मोर प्रिय छात्र छात्री बंधु बांधव अभिभावक गण, आजिकार यही पवित्र दिवस रे मु मोर अतीतर केतोटी पृष्ठा अवलोकन करने को चेष्टा करुच्ची। जेतेबेले भी मु मोर कौनसी निज लोकों सहित कथबार्ता करे, कांसबहाल तथा मनफोड़ विद्यालय प्रसंग आपे आपे परिसर मध्य को टाणी हो जाए। सते जेपरी कांसबहाल तथा मनफोड़ विद्यालय व्यतीत मो पाखरे आउ किछि विषय नाही। प्रत्येक कथारे मनफोड़, प्रत्येक कथारे कांसबहाल। एपरी एपर्यंत गोटे दिन नाही जो दिन मु कांसबहाल तथा मनफोड़ विद्यालय कथा भाविनी। वर्तमान मोर गोटे कथा मन पड़े, जो दिन मु मनफोड़ विषय प्रथम करी खबर पाई सेतेबेले मु राजगांगपुर जेल चर्च स्कूल रे कार्यरत थिली। मोर जड़े छात्र भंजमान स्वाई से मनफोड़ विषय रे मते अवगत कराइथिला। तापरे मु गोटे एप्लिकेशन लिखि तारी हाथ रे तत्कालीन प्रिंसिपल ब्रदर सिरिल, प्रिंसिपल कम सेक्रेटरी को निकट को से एप्लिकेशन टी प्रेरण करथिली। किछि दिन परे मते कांसबहाल मनफोड़ रे उपस्थित होगापी खबर दिगला। या पूर्वर मु कांसबहाल ना तो शुणी किंतु केबे ता भीतर को प्रवेश कर नथिली। मोर से सब किछि आइडिया भी नथिला। मु कांसबहाल आसिक पहुँचली, प्रिंसिपल को सहित देखा कली। तापरे प्रिंसिपल मते कहले जे मु मनफोड़ विद्यालय रे जॉइन करबा पे इच्छुक कि, एवं संगे संगे से मते जॉइन करबा पे मध्य कहले। मु कौन करिवि कौन नहीं सर्वप्रथमे टिके भाभी पाइलिनी, किंतु परे उत्तर देली यस। आउ से थिला 1980 मसीहा। से 1980 रु 2014 पर्यंत दीर्घ 34 वर्ष काल मु कांसबहाल रे रहिली, मनफोड़ विद्यालय रे काम कली। अवश्य मनफोड़ विद्यालय रे ना परे परे परिवर्तन हो जाइछि, डीएवी पब्लिक स्कूल कांसबहाल। आउ मोर चाकरी काल भितरे बा कार्यकाल भितरे मु केबे मनफोड़ व्यतीत अन्य कथा चिंता कर नथिली। प्रत्येक कांसबहाल कार्यकाल भितर मु केबे कौनसी प्रकार असुविधार सम्मुखीन होई नाही। एठिकार परिवेश, छात्र छात्री, स्कूल सबु किछि नियार। सर्वप्रथम मु जेतेबेले जॉइन कली सेठी पिला मानकर निष्पाप चेहरा देखी मते भारी खुशी लागिला, एवं मु सेमानंको देखी ये दीर्घ 34 वर्ष भितर मु समस्तंक ठारू साहाय्य, स्नेह, सहानुभूति पाइछि। ଏଠିକାର ଦୀର୍ଘ 34 ବର୍ଷ ରହଣି କାଳର ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଘଟଣା ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଅବିସ୍ମରଣୀୟ। ସବୁଠାରୁ ବଡ଼ ଅବିସ୍ମରଣୀୟ ଘଟଣା ହେଉଛି ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅସୁସ୍ଥ ହୋଇ ପଡ଼ିଥିଲି 2010ରେ ମୋର ହାର୍ଟ ଆଟାକ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା, ଆଉ ସେ ବି ରାତି 2ଟାରେ। ଏ ବିଷୟରେ ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସର୍ବପ୍ରଥମେ ସାହୁ ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ଏବଂ ପତି ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ଖବର ଦେଲି, ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସେମାନେ ପହଞ୍ଚି ଆସିଲେ, ମୋତେ ଡକ୍ଟର ଦାସଙ୍କ ନିକଟକୁ ନେଲେ ଏବଂ ସେଠାରେ ଡକ୍ଟର ଦାସ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ବାହାରି ଆସିଲେ ଏବଂ ମୋର ଜଣେ ଛାତ୍ର ପଣ୍ଡା ସେ ଆସିକି ମୋର ଇସିଜି କରିବାରେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କଲା। ଆଉ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ମୋତେ ଡକ୍ଟର ଦାସ IGHକୁ ରେଫର୍ କରିଦେଲେ ଏବଂ ସେଠାରେ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରାୟ 72 ଘଣ୍ଟା ରହିଲା ପରେ ବିଶାଖାପାଟଣା ଗଲି। ସେଠୁ ମୋର ଅପରେସନ୍ ହେଲା, ଆଉ 5 ଦିନ ପରେ ମୁଁ ଫେରି ଆସିଲି କାଂସବାହାଲ। ଇତିମଧ୍ୟରେ କାଂସବାହାଲର ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀ, ଅଭିଭାବକ, ବନ୍ଧୁବାନ୍ଧବ ସମସ୍ତେ ମୋରି ପାଇଁ ଚିନ୍ତିତ ଥିଲା ପରି ଖବର ନେଉଥାନ୍ତି। ମୁଁ ଭଲ ହେଲା ପରେ ପୁଣି ସ୍କୁଲ ଜଏନ୍ କଲି। ଦିନେ କ୍ଲାସରୁମ୍ରେ ପଢ଼ାଉଥିଲା ସମୟରେ ଜଣେ ଛାତ୍ରୀ ଉଠିପଡ଼ି ମୋତେ ସାର୍ ବୋଲିକି ସମ୍ବୋଧନ କଲା। ତା କଥା ଶୁଣି ମୁଁ ପଢ଼ାଉଥିବା ବିଷୟରୁ ଅଟକି ଗଲି ଆଉ ପଚାରିଲି କ'ଣ ହେଲା। ତାପରେ ସେ ମୋତେ କହିଲା, ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ଥକି ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି। ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ମୁଁ ଥକି ଯାଇଥିଲି। ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଥିଲି ଯେ ବିଷୟଟି କେମିତି ସମାପ୍ତ କରିବି ବୋଲିକି ତରତର ହୋଇ ପଢ଼ାଇ ଚାଲିଥିଲି। ପିଲାଟିର ଏହି କଥା ଶୁଣି ମୋ ମନରେ ତା ପ୍ରତି ବହୁତ ଶ୍ରଦ୍ଧା ଜାତ ହେଲା ଏବଂ ତା ମୋ ପ୍ରତି କେତେ ସମ୍ମାନ ଅଛି ସେ କଥା ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରିଲି। ଦିନେ ଜଣେ ସାର୍ ମୋତେ ପଚାରିଲେ ଯେ ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କ୍ଲାସ୍ରେ ପିଲାମାନେ ଏତେ ଡିସିପ୍ଲିନ୍ରେ କେମିତି ବସନ୍ତି? ମୁଁ ସେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ହସି ଦେଇକି ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଇଥିଲି, ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦେୟାର ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ। ଶେଷରେ ମୁଁ ମୋର ଶ୍ରଦ୍ଧେୟ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏତିକି କହିବି ଯେ ଯେଉଁଠି ଥାଆନ୍ତୁ ନା କାହିଁକି ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ଦୟାରୁ ଭଲରେ ସୁସ୍ଥ ସବଳ ଜୀବନଯାପନ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଖୁବ୍ ଉନ୍ନତି କରନ୍ତୁ, ଆଗକୁ ବଢ଼ନ୍ତୁ, ପରସ୍ପର ମଧ୍ୟରେ ସୁସମ୍ପର୍କ ରକ୍ଷା କରି ରହନ୍ତୁ। ନିଜ ଗାଁ, ମା, ପିତା, ମାତା, ଗୁରୁଜନଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତି ସଦାସର୍ବଦା ଭକ୍ତିଭାବ ରଖି ଦେଶ ମାତୃକାର ସେବାରେ ନିଜକୁ ନିୟୋଜିତ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରନ୍ତୁ। ଆମ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ସମାଜ ପାଇଁ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀମାନେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଆମରି ସର୍ବସ୍ୱ। ଶେଷରେ ଆଉ ଥରେ କହିବି, ଭଗବାନ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ମଙ୍ଗଳ କରନ୍ତୁ। ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ଶେଷରେ କହିବି, though we are retired, we are not tired. ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ।
Somewhere something incredible is waiting to be known. Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. Teaching is the highest form of understanding. Science is simply the word used to describe a method of organizing our curiosity. Curious minds were very well taken care of under the proper guidance of Sir Baljeet Singh during his tenure from 1982 to 85. He guided the students towards a better future with his friend, colleague, late Sir Satpal Singh. His message for all the students.
Namaste and hello to everyone. Myself Baljeet Singh. First of all, a respectful Teachers' Day to all my teachers and to all my fellow teachers. I was teaching in Uthmal English Primary School from 1982 to 1985. Just after my graduation from Government College Rourkela, I was looking for a job. To my fate, a dream of getting a job in Larsen & Toubro Kansbahal Works did not materialize. So, those were the days of weekly employment newspaper costing at a subsidized rate of 25 paisa. And some other newspaper in South Colony Club I started peeping for a job. Suddenly, one day a small vacancy notification in our own Kansbal cover from Utmal English Primary School attracted me. I applied, gave a live demo class of mathematics for class 3 in front of Sister Damian, teacher Ganga Vishwanathan and teacher Kujur. Got selected और बलजीत सब बलजीत हो गया. To confess, initially I was hesitant to speak with my lovely staff room teachers Ganga Vishwanathan aunty, Sagarika Gupta aunty, Anupama Shrivastava aunty, Sabita Sinha, Elizabeth Anthony, Sir Mandal, Achma George aunty, to name a few. But their warmth eased me in a couple of months only. Well, 3 years in school passed just like 3 months. I was teaching science in class 3, 4 and 5. Still, most of the students are in contact with me. If I start naming, my message will end in naming them only. I remember one day I got a message from Mrs. Ramaswamy through his son Deepak Ramaswamy, who was my student, telling, Mummy said, tell Baljit sir, he teaches well. Oh, what a great compliment. Lots and lots of memories of school, excursions, picnics, annual sports, and Utmal English Primary School annual day, for which whole Kansbal used to wait, as Mrs. Fernandez puts it. To end my school days with all gratitude to all my teachers and special thanks to Sister Celine, who was an inspiration to me. She stood just like a mountain, firm, strong, and clear. Love you, Sister Celine. So while I was in school, I was trying for other jobs in defense services, private jobs, and finally into banking, which I continued till July 2020 last, till my superannuation. To sum up, teaching gave me moral and love and respect, and rest of the things banking job gave me. Well, allow me to speak something about my dearest friend and teacher colleague Satpal. See, हम जिंदगी में दोस्त बनाते हैं. सतपाल मेरा दोस्त था, पता नहीं कब से, maybe because I was 4 years at that time. As asked by Sister Celine, I invited him to join Utmal English Primary School. I left the school in 1985 and Satpal continued till 2008, starting from 1983. उसे बच्चों से प्यार था और बच्चों को उनसे प्यार था. We had a special bonding, all new. It was just like Salim Javed, Lakshmikant Pyarelal, Shankar Jaikishan and Satpal and Baljit. सतपाल अपनी पहचान को उन बुलंदियों तक ले गया कि मुझे आज भी याद है उसके अंतिम संस्कार में आए आधे से अधिक लोगों को मैं नहीं पहचान सका. He did not take anything from me, but he gave me the idea. वो सोच कि किस तरह लोगों से जुड़ा रहना चाहिए, to be connected with more and more people. I have no hesitation in saying that the Kansbal groups we are there in, the Utmal English Primary School group, these are all WhatsApp groups, are inspired by him, Satpal, my friend. So my dear students, just a last message to you. I know you all are well settled in life now, but if you still want a lesson from me, a message from me, I will just say, just be honest. There is nothing after life Swarg, Nark, Jannat, rebirth, everything is false. Everything is here only. Just do your work honestly. Like Mother Teresa. She is my idol, inspiration to me, Mother Teresa. Once again, I wish all of you to be happy, be blessed, and be caring. Love you all. Bye, namaste, and Khuda Hafiz.
Dear listeners, this program is brought to you by the combined efforts of the Compare team comprising Shravani Halda and Mosumi Chakrabarti, technical team comprising Muhammad Ali, TV session and Nilotpal Kole, and last but not the least, the core admin team. Thank you very much for being with us.